Good morning, it's the 10th of October and welcome to Ovation Boats. We currently have two boats in the workshop at the moment. One's almost completed, that's Aethelflaed, and the other one, Willow, has just come into the workshop and just in the very start of the fit out process. I thought I'd give you a quick look round to see how everything looks. It's quite a quiet day today. There's only myself, Chris and Darren in the workshop, so we might get a glimpse of those as we go through the video. Here we are at the Ovation workshop. As you can see, it's nice and quiet. That doesn't mean to say there's not a lot of work going on. Chris has disappeared out the front. As you can see, we have two boats in. One of them on the left, as you're looking at the video, is Willow, which is a semi-cruiser stern with a slightly different front. Actually, looking at it, I've not seen this boat yet. This is the first time I've seen it, so it's actually got a different rear, but we'll go and have a look at that in more detail in a moment. We have this boat here that's currently being painted in our painting dock, and Darren is morning Darren. Darren's just taping up, ready to put the what we're going to do, we're going to paint the handrail. There's a tubular steel handrail on the top which will be painted, and also the handrail, the formed handrail on the cabin side. I'll take you on that boat in a minute. That will be a separate video, but we'll show you how well we're doing with that one. Darren's just taping up and covering over the sides of the boat. The sides have been completed, they're nice and shiny, and we don't want any damage to come to them while we're painting the handrail. So, as I say, we've got the two lads who are currently at college today, so it's nice and quiet. They normally are based in here, which is the woodworking shop, which we've recently expanded the workshop to include this area. So we're keeping all the woodworking, or most of the woodworking, done here, so that the main workshop is kept as clutter-free as possible. So there we are. We have got another boat that's due in. The shell's currently under construction. We're not quite sure whether that boat will go here. This is where Molly was before the quick boat show, or we may find that Aethelflaed is completed, so we'll be moving the boats around to accommodate that new shell. Finish with a quick view down the back. There we go.